Learn basic car maintenance. It's amazing how many people get taken for a ride, just by taking their car in for a basic service. A lot of people overthink the modern technology of their car and believe everything the repair shop tells them. Modern cars really require way less maintenance, even though the basic concept is the same. With all this power and amenities, most people forget or never knew that it is the same basic internal combustion engine used over 100 years ago. And, electric and hybrid cars require even less maintenance than conventional automobiles. Learning basic maintenance about your vehicle can save you thousands of dollars over time and minimize potential breakdowns. The 3,000-mile oil change is a thing of past. If you're still changing your car's oil every 3,000 miles, you're wasting your money. You need to know what type of oil your car requires and the capacity. You need to know where the oil filter is located. Cheap oil filters will damage your car over time because they can take up to 9 seconds longer to achieve maximum flow at startup. If you use one of those quick lube shops, make sure you know what type of oil they will use to refill the crankcase. Make sure you check the level on the dipstick before you leave the shop. Earlier I mentioned that you need to know where the oil filter is located. Here's why: some shops will not change the filter, but will charge you for one. If you mark the old one before you take the car for servicing, you'll be able to verify that it has been replaced. Most of these shops lose money on the $29.99 oil change. A good quart of oil will set you back about $5, so if your car requires $5, that's $25, add the oil filter and you're over the $30 mark. Now pay close attention. This is where you need to be up to date on your car's maintenance schedule. The $29.99 oil change is a lure. It's to bait you in and then double or triple charge you for a filter or drive belt or some other regular maintenance item you didn't keep up with. We're not trying to make everyone weekend mechanics, we just want car owners to read the owner's manual so they'll have an idea of what maintenance has to be done at the recommended mileage intervals. With that said, you tell me if it makes sense to take your new car in for the 15,000-mile service and be charged $400 to $600? What did they do to a car with only 15,000 miles besides change the oil? You need to learn what maintenance items to consent to and what to say no to and still be assured your car is in optimum operating condition. A great benefit in learning how to properly maintain your car is also learning how to diagnose potential repair issues. Want to revive a dead battery? Click the link below.